Struggling to work with complex and structured JSON files? Converting them into Excel makes editing and analysis much easier. This guide explains how to convert JSON to Excel.
Let's first talk about why we have to convert a JSON file to Excel.
Converting JSON to Excel helps present data in a clear, structured, and easy-to-understand format, making it easier to view and edit data, share and report information, perform better analysis, and support non-technical users.
Now, let's begin and see the methods to convert JSON to Excel.
There are 3 best techniques to do this.
Quick tip: if you're looking for a faster and more reliable way to convert JSON to Excel, you can try the SysTools JSON Converter tool.
It ensures secure file processing, protects sensitive JSON data, and supports 13+ output formats, making it a flexible and user-friendly solution for both technical and non-technical users. Let's start with the first method, using an online converter. Open Google and search for a JSON to Excel converter. Click on any tool that suits your needs.
After selecting a tool or website, upload the JSON file and click Convert to Excel. Once the conversion is complete, simply download the converted Excel file.
This method is easy to use, but it has some limitations. Uploading files online can pose data security risks. Large JSON files may face size restrictions, and the process depends entirely on an internet connection.
To overcome these limitations, it's better to use an offline solution like the SysTools JSON Converter tool.
Let's also discuss key features of the SysTools JSON Converter tool.
Secure JSON to Excel conversion ensures safe and offline processing to protect confidential and sensitive JSON data during conversion.
Handles large and complex JSON files. Efficiently converts large and complex JSON structures to Excel without crashing or data loss. Batch conversion with folder structure. Supports batch JSON to Excel conversion while maintaining the original folder hierarchy.
Multiple output format support allows conversion of JSON files into 13+ different file formats, offering flexibility beyond Excel when needed.
You can find the download link on the description. This is the interface of the SysTools JSON Converter tool. First, click the Add File button at the top left to add your JSON file. Browse and select the JSON file, then click Open to proceed. Once added, you'll see the file name and its location in the Selected Path column. The Size column on the right displays the file size. Finally, click Next at the bottom to continue.
Now, we're in the Export Options section. The software allows you to convert your JSON file into multiple formats, including SQL scripts, XML, YAML, DBF, CSV, PDF, HTML, MDB, ACCDB, TXT, XLS, XLSX, DOC, and DOCX. For this video, we'll select XLSX, which is the Excel file format. Next, enable the Maintain Folder Tree option. Under Select Destination Path, the desktop is chosen by default, but you can change it by clicking the Change button on the right. Finally, click the Export button at the bottom to start the conversion. The processing time will vary depending on the size and complexity of your data. The process has been completed successfully. Click OK to continue. Now, open the Export folder where the Excel file has been saved. The software also generates an export report in CSV format, which you can review if needed. Open the folder and then open the Excel file to check the converted data. And that's it.
There is also a third method using Power Query, but it may not be effective in all cases. Manual methods always come with some limitations, so we recommend you choose an offline SysTools JSON converter tool to convert complex and nested JSON file to Excel format effortlessly. Using offline tools, you can convert complex and deeply nested JSON file to Excel format effortlessly.